Good morning, Shadows. It's been a couple of days. I recouped my ankle a little bit, enough that we need to get to see in Bratislava. So we are in Bratislava, which is the capital of Slovakia. Today we are doing a free walking tour. Pretty much for my trip here, we'll be doing free walking tours. It's just easier that way. Yeah, so the weather has finally changed up. It's a little sunny, so that's good. It's been pretty much stormy the whole time I've been here, but today is a bright, beautiful day, and we're gonna go see some sights of Bratislava. Let's get this day started, okay?